All right, hello stats people. Hey guys. So I'm going to be going over one of the lowest scoring free response questions ever on the AP stats exam. This question actually had a mean score of 0.97 out of 4. So I'm going to show you how to get that 4 or essentially get that 5 on the exam. So let's get through it. Pepe, you okay? Yeah. Yeah. All right, so as you probably guessed it, come on. This problem deals with probability because that's always the lowest scoring section on the exam because it's tough. But let's look at it step by step. So it says for each day that Sasha travels to work, the probability that she will experience a delay due to traffic is 0.2. Each day can be considered independent of other days. For the next 21 days that Sasha travels to work, what is the probability that Sasha will experience a delay due to traffic on at least 3 of the days? Okay, so this essentially is going to be a binomial probability calculation. So I don't need that much space. So we have the probability that one of these 3 that x is greater than or equal to 3. And in this case, what we have are 20 or how many? 21 trials. So n is 21. The probability is 0.2. And k is going to be 2. Now it's going to be 2 because when we do the binomial CDF function, it includes it and it only does less than. So in other words, we can use our calculator to calculate binomial CDF, which is going to be, let me explain. So this will be, the syntax will be just right here. So then it'll go MPK, so we can do 21, comma 0.2, comma 2. Here I'm just writing the syntax right below. If you have the old school calculator like me, you have to memorize it. But if you have the newer ones, it just says through the word, so it's pretty easy to follow. Now this gives you the probability that x is less than or equal to 2. So once we get this, what we do is 1 minus this. So 1 minus whatever this is. So let's first calculate it. So we're going to go to distribution. Come on. 21 and 0.2, comma 2. We get 0.1787. And so we're going to subtract that from 1. 1 minus 0.1787. Oops, 1. We get about 0.8213. So I'm going to imagine that that was probably a big mistake, or not big mistake, but a miscalculation because the calculators don't have it. So you can calculate straight up, and x is greater than or equal to 3 only does less than. Let me make that clear because I want you guys to be able to see it clearly. 0.8213. Okay. Part B. What's the probability that Sasha's first delay due to traffic will occur after the 5th day of work? Okay, so this is kind of like this is actually really simple. And the mistake is usually to overthink it because all this is asking for is what's the probability that she'll be on time for the first 5 days? Because her being late on the 5th day, after the 5th day, could be the 6th, could be the 7th, could be the 8th. There's so many combinations. We just really care about the probability of her being on time the first 5 times. Oh no, for the first 5 days. So this is going to be just 0.8 to the 5th. Because the chance of her being on time on any day is 80%. Because the chance of her being late is 20%. So 1 minus 20% is 80%. So we just do 0.8 to the 5th. And we will get 32.3278. Hold on, 0.32768. All right. So the mistake here was to overthink it, which is, yeah, those are always annoying. And part C, consider a random sample of 21 days that Sasha will travel to work. For the proportion of those days that she will experience related to traffic, is the sampling distribution of the sample proportion approximately normal. So here we just got to check the large counts condition. So check that NP is at least 10, and I'll get down low. N times 1 minus P is at least 10. So N is 21, P is 0.2, and this will be what? 4.2, right? 4.2. And you know what? 4.2 ain't more than 10, or at least 10. So no, because the large counts condition is not satisfied. The answer is no. So there we go. That's all there is to it. It's simple, right? Well, simple after we know how to do it. Practice this stuff because probability is always tough. It's knowing what to do than actually doing it. But this will really give you an edge and get you definitely increase your probability of getting a 5 on that AB exam. All right? Yeah, no problem. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Feedback is always welcome. And if you like these videos and want some more, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.